Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I am going to show how to highlight row in one click. First select your data, navigate to conditional formatting, choose new rule. From here choose this one, use a formula to determine which cells to format and then write this formula. Format. From fill choose your favorite color. I will choose this. OK. Then come to your sheet name, right click, view code, worksheet. From here write target, choose calculate, click on which cell you want it highlighted with the color that you have chosen. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.